Guys, how are you doing? So just want to let you know that I'm a bit frustrated right now because I have been recording a video for you guys about the sneakers, which is right here. So I was drawing it on the new software, which is named Sketcha. It's one of my student and friend, Jean-Olivier Esther, that has been recommended me this software this morning, this app, as this is available just on iPad Pro and not on the iMac. And this is what I wanted to try immediately. And from the first seconds, I really like it. And I wanted to show you the full process of the video of me drawing the sneakers and adding the colors as well. But unfortunately, there was a bug on my iPad. But anyway, I publish here what I got, so it's better than nothing. I think so. It's free. It's a software which is made by designers for designers as well. So the function are pretty much minimalist from what I saw, and just like good enough for us. And I would say it's like if you would compare it to Procreate, which is more like a huge machine with a lot of options, and this one seems to be more how to say, more focused on the minimum of things that a designer would need. And I didn't go through all the function yet, but just giving you my first impression, that is pretty positive in my opinion, because it's allow you to get confident in starting with confidence very fast, and could become like a favorite tool for designers, I would say. I don't know, I will carry on to try more. All right, so enjoy it. So the first thing I started to do is outlines right here. So I put them in one layer. I create another sub-layers with a quick white background with the marker tool, and I use the marker tool with add some pop of colors. And then I merge all the layers together. At least I display all of them together, making sure that the lines is above and the colors are below. Alright, so I really would like to thank the project Sketcha about creating this software. To be honest, it's something that I never heard about before, and I really appreciate that my friend Jean-Olivier introduced to me this software, and it's a very good discovery for me. Because the lines that you do in product design is that you really like to have fluidity, you really like to have a play with the pen pressure, and that's how you can bring in even more expression in your sketches, because it will influence as well the way that you're going to design the form of your object, the design of your form of your footwear design, because you want to express the form, express the type of lines is going to help you to speak like better vocabulary, a better emotion of lines in your sketches. It has been a pretty much good experience using it on iPad Pro, and I really like the sensation of the pen pressure of it. And also if you will see, like when you're going to test it, is that there is a kind of like a way, that an option that is going to help you to make your lines even smoother. So let's say your lines are a bit hesitant, that your gesture is a bit hesitant, the software is going to help you to tighten it. And it's pretty nice, because it has been done pretty, I would say, to kind of an elegant way, and I appreciate that. And it's still remaining very loyal, I would say, to your own gesture. So it's not going to try to betray or trying to imitate something that you're not. But once again, it's not going to correct your bad lines, I would say. You have to get that intention of having a very fluid line, so it's going to help you to tighten it even more. So don't use that kind of option to correct your mistake, I would say, but to enhance your style. The way that I myself draw on iPad Pro is that I don't really like to use my left hand using like the two touch of the finger, trying to zoom in or zoom out or to rotate the canvas. On iPad, what I do is that I put inside the option of the software to deactivate all this, because I kind of having difficulties to avoid the palm conflict when I draw, and it's very personally annoying for myself. I don't know you guys, but I'm just sharing with you my own way of doing. So what I like with the iPad Pro is that it has a similar size as the A4 paper, and this is what really makes me happy about it, because it's really getting closer to a piece of paper, and I like to just turn to rotate the tablet itself. And what I did is that, because there's like a camera, the lens below, which is keep like sliding on the table, so I'm worried about scratches. So what I do is that I added some a layer of foam board just below my iPad, so I can rotate my iPad with safety. And that's it. So I just wanted to share with you guys my first impression of this software, and I hope that you guys will try it. I will put the link of the website of the Sketcha, the project Sketcha, in the description. So I invite you to subscribe to the channel, click on the bell to receive all the future videos and tutorials and articles and motivations for product designers, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.